Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TCL NxtPaper 10s, and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and now we have to scroll down to find the apps. Let's tap on it. Now we have to scroll down. Actually, we cannot really scroll down, but at the very bottom of this list we've got special app access, and this is the option we're looking for. And here we have to scroll down, here we can do it, in order to tap on install unknown apps. And as you can see right here, we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed, just like in my case, to install some content. And of course you can change it, so let me pick for example Chrome, just tap on it and tap on the switcher here. After getting back, you can see that from now on Chrome is allowed to install some content. Be aware that you're doing it on your own responsibility, because some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk, so remember about that. And of course turning it on, so allowing some particular apps to install something will work the same with all other apps here on the list. So just tap on it and tap on the switcher. And you can turn off all previously given permissions, just tap on the Chrome again, of course Chrome in my case, and tap on the switcher here. And after getting back, you can see that the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. So actually this is it. This is how to allow unknown sources in your TCL NxtPaper 10s. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.